In this video, I will show you how to stream your PS5 on Discord. Now, before we continue, I just want to note that you do need to do this on a computer. So with that being said, let's jump straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is download PS Remote Play onto your system. So the best way to go ahead and find this, if you open up a new browser and come across to google.com and just go ahead and type PS Remote Play. And it should be the top result up here. So you want to click onto this and it's going to take you across to the official site for PS Remote Play. Now what you want to do is press the blue download button and choose your system that you want to download this on. Because I'm on a Windows PC, I'm going to select Windows PC. So it's going to take you across to this page, and all you need to do is tick the box to agree to the license agreements and privacy policies, and you can read those here if you want to, and once that's done, press the blue download button. So once you've gone ahead and downloaded the Remote Play installer, just go ahead and click to open this up on your system, and then just run through and install the Remote Play app on your system. So after that's completed, you can leave the box ticked to launch a program, go ahead and click finish, and this is going to open up straight away the PS Remote Play application. The first thing you're going to want to do is sign in with your PSN account. And you want to make sure this is, of course, the same account that is on your PlayStation. And once you've gone ahead and signed in, just press confirm and continue, and then choose what console you want to connect to. So for example, it's going to be PS5. So you just want to select PS5. Now it says before connecting to your PS5, what you need to do is enable Remote Play on your PS5. So to do that, you want to go into your console settings, then go into System, then Remote Play, and there's an option there to enable Remote Play. So make sure you do that first before continuing, and then come back to your system and press OK. Now what it's going to do is just take a minute or two to search for your console. So you want to make sure you're connected and your PlayStation 5 is on at this point. And as you can see, it now says link in your PS5. So you can see it's now found our PS5, and you're going to get a notification come up on your PS5 saying that you're connected using Remote Play. So here we are, as you can see, we are now connected using Remote Play. So once that's done, you're now ready to start streaming on Discord. So what you now want to do is come across and open up Discord on your PC. And here we are, as you can see, on the Discord app. So you can see I've got the app here, I've got my Remote Play running in the background. Now to actually go ahead and stream onto Discord, what you're going to want to do is jump into your server. And then you just want to go ahead and jump into a voice channel. So I'm just going to do that now. Once we're connected, if you look at the bottom, it says here, share your screen. So you want to click onto this. And as you can see, we've got the PS Remote Play screen here. So all you need to do is select this from the list. Then what you can do is change some settings on here. For example, the resolution and frame rate. I'm going to leave this set to the default settings, and then just simply press the go live button. So as you can see, we're now set up and we are technically streaming on Discord in this voice channel. So whenever people join the voice channel on your server, they're going to see this screen, and of course you can go ahead and stream your PS5 through Discord. So I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.